So, this is what 350,000 gets you in the province of Mendoza, Argentina. I'm here with Melanie, the ambassador of Move to Mendoza, and honestly, she's one of the most insightful people I've met when it comes to guiding expats through the whole process of moving here and finding the right property. She's going to walk us through this one. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a working vineyard, a pool, and apparently 120 degrees of the Andes views. Let's go see it.
Here are the vineyard, the pool, and here the house. The house, that's the gallery. Oh, in here. That's the barbecue area. Barbecue and oven. To make great pizza, great bread oven. Smells good.
Who's buying out here right now?
You have a lot of people from the country, from Argentina, from Buenos Aires, looking for a more peaceful kind of lifestyle. And you have people from abroad, from the United States, Europe, Canada, they're looking to purchase like a nice place here. Come on here, welcome. This is the kitchen, all furnished with a small nook here. It's a modern kitchen, yes. It comes all furnished. All furnished. Some furniture maybe they want to keep it with them, but otherwise all furnished. Living room here, fireplace with a TV. And you have the view here. And you can access outside, but now it's closed. Here you have 1 bedroom downstairs. Yeah. This is closed, but you have a walk-in closet. And this is 1 bedroom with, again, you have the view.
What happens with the vineyard? Is it actually producing?
Yeah, the vineyard is producing, so you can have your own production, your own wine with your own label, which is very romantic. But it's not a production that you can sell, that you can make a profit out of it. Look at the bathroom here with the light from the roof. And you have the shower here. Double sink, shower. Same floor, second bedroom. With the door outside, brings you outside, small garden. Look at the view from your bedroom. Isn't it beautiful?
It is. Walk me through what buying actually looks like here.
So buying means that we look at houses, we view houses, when we like one of them, you book the house with 3% of the value of the property. This is booking. It's called reserva. So we remove the house from the market and we cannot show it anymore to anybody else. But make sure you're serious about it, because if you change your mind, you just lost your deposit. If the seller changes his mind, he loses the deposit and he gives you a penalty of the same amount. Second stage is called boleto, 15 days later, 50% of the whole amount. And then 60 to 90 days later, you give the balance of the amount and you get the keys of your new property. And we give you a deed of sale clear of all mortgages or any liability that could come with the house.
Is the price negotiable?
A little bit. Sometimes prices are negotiable, depends on the situation of the person, of the seller. Argentinians are not very negotiable, so we cannot go like a very drastic price, because they could get offended very easily and they can just reject your offer.
What does it actually cost to maintain this every month or every year?
Well, this property, they're not living here, so it's hard to say how much it costs to maintain the property. Although in my house that I live in the city, when 4 people live in there and we use AC, we use the pool and the jacuzzi and everything, it costs us for maintaining the house 300,000 pesos per month approximately, and this is with the internet, cable TV, water, heater. So approximately could be the same here.
So that's the property. Fully furnished, vineyard producing, move-in ready. And if you're serious about buying something like this or you want other options, she works with expats specifically, so she knows exactly what people are looking for when they're making this kind of move. Her contact is in the description, and if you're still figuring out whether Mendoza makes sense for you, I have a free newsletter with everything I know about living here. Link is below. See you in the next one. Bye.